Hi everybody, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert. Today we're going to talk about electronic stud sensors. What are they and why you should use them? They're actually devices to help you find the framing that's beneath the wall in your home or business. And there are many different kinds. It all depends on what you're trying to locate. Some are just your average garden variety stud sensors that will find the edges of the metal or wood studs. Some of them actually allow you to do what's called a deep scan if you have thicker walls, or you may have a double layer of drywall depending on where you live. If it's a demising wall between, say, two townhouses, that typically has a double layer of drywall if you're going to hang something on there. The idea behind electronic stud sensors is the fact that if you're going to hang something heavy on the wall, say a TV bracket for a flat screen TV, that definitely needs to be mounted into the framing. You don't just want to hang that onto the drywall or anything heavy on the wall, and you want to avoid turning a wall into Swiss cheese by constantly putting nails or screws in there. Now the old way, of course, is just to kind of listen to the wall as you tap away, and for many of us it works pretty well, but depending on the walls, it's difficult to locate it. Now on this particular wall, I'll tell you right now, it's really easy to find the studs because it's right there, because this is an unpainted wall. But for the sake of our demonstration, I thought that this would make a lot of sense. This is a zircon electronic stud sensor, and this particular one is designed to show you the edges or the sides of the studs as you go across the wall. And it's going to kind of signify as you're going. One of the things that you have to remember when you're using any kind of electronic stud sensor is you have to calibrate it first. And so when you bring it to the wall, I've already put the battery in there, and now you can see, for sake of demonstration, I'm between the studs. So I'm gonna go ahead and push that button, and it's gonna tell me that I'm ready. Here's the thing is, it's important to try this on different parts of the wall, because if you inadvertently go right over the top of a stud and you didn't know it, well, it's not quite sure there, so you wanna test it a couple times to see where you're at. So we know we're in the middle. Now I'm gonna slowly move to my left. And as I come across, just kind of horizontally, the stud sensor is it's getting close, bang. See that arrow right there? That's the edge of the stud, and I'm gonna go ahead and mark that. Now I keep coming across, and it's still gonna hold there, and it's gonna disappear. Now when I come back again, it finds the other edge. Now this particular wall, when you look at the distance between there, chances are there's two studs here because that's so wide. And now you can either measure across there or whatever to find the center, and then you're gonna do that. Remember that when that red light goes on there, it means that it's a stud. See what I did there? If you need more information or you'd like us to cover anything else, just leave us a note on the bottom of this video. Wait, let me try one more time. I'm just saying.